Welcome back everybody. We are at Unit 5, Statistics, Worksheet 18 of Class 7 workbook. So the first question, multiple choice question, it start. The mode of this data. So as I have written all the number which are repeated number of times. So 12 has occurred maximum number of time, that is 4 times. So B is equals to 12. A bread company wants to know the favorite bread of kids. The most appropriate measure of central tendency is mode. The median of all these numbers is, so in median what do we do? First we arrange in ascending order. So as we arrange in ascending order, we see that there are total 9 terms. 9 is an odd number, so for median we write 9 plus 1, that is 10. 10 by 2 is 5th. So the fifth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth term is 0. The favorite fruits of 6 children are given respectively. So as you can see, then the mode is. So for mode, we see this. There are 2 grapes. So grapes is repeated. So the answer is B. Pick out the correct statement of the given data. So as you can see, median. All the values are given. So because it is an even datas are given. So 10 by 2 and 10 by 2 plus 1, that is 5th and 6th. Both the terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th is 14, 6th is also 14 by 2. And 14 is repeated 3 times, and therefore mode is also 14. So median is equals to mode. Next. In the front row of a music hall has 25 seats. If you are asked to sit on the seat that occupied the median position, which seat would you have to sit? So there are 25 seats, 25 plus 1, 26 by 2, that is 13. So 13 is the median position. Which one of the following statement is true? This data is a unimodal because it has no mode. Median, this is also false. Data is bimodal because there are 2 modes. Next, fill in the blanks. The value of the data which occur maximum number of times is called mode. Yes. The representative value which obtained choosing the middle term is called as median. Say true or false and justify your answer. The mode of odd number is 20 to 30 is 29. No, that is false. We are coming to short answers. As you can see, question number 11. The following data shows the working hours of a worker in a company. Find the mode. So as we find the mode, we see that there are 80 number of worker working for 8 hours. So mode is 8 hours. Find the median of the height of the children. So median of the height of the children, 1, 2, 3, 4 children are. 4 values of height are given. So median is sum of, because these data are even. So sum of these 2 data divided by 2 becomes 147. The median of all these numbers is 12. Find the value of n. So the median is 6n. So 6n equal to 12, n is equals to 2. The run of 5 players in a cricket match are given. Find the median of the data. So 5 players run is given to you, n is equals to 5. Median is equals to n plus 1 by 2, that is 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6. Third term is 46. The median of 5 observation, 3, 2, 1, 7, 5 is 3. If one observation 6 is added to the data, then the new median would be. So 6 is being added in between. So median n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. So 6 by 2 and 6 by 2 plus 1, that is 6. Third term, and 6 by 2 is 4th term. So 3 plus 5 by 2, that is equal to 4. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and hit the like button.